In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change my Zoom link in Calendly. Whether you're updating your Zoom account, managing organizational settings, or simply ensuring your scheduling tools are in sync, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. Calendly is a fantastic tool for streamlining appointments, and keeping your Zoom integration up to date is key to ensuring your meetings run smoothly. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive in and walk through the process. First, start by navigating to the Calendly homepage. You can do this by opening your browser and heading to www.calendly.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the platform's interface where all your scheduling and integration options are easily accessible. Next, look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll find a menu there with various options. Locate the one labeled Integrations and Apps. It might take a moment to spot it if you're new to Calendly, but it's an essential section for connecting external services like Zoom. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. Once you're inside the Integrations and Apps section, you'll see a list of different tools and services that can be connected to Calendly. Scroll through the available options until you see the Zoom icon. It's usually represented by Zoom's recognizable blue video camera logo, so it should stand out from the rest. When you see it, select the Zoom icon to move forward with the process. Now, here's where we start making changes. You'll need to disconnect your current Zoom account. This step ensures that any old or outdated connections are cleared before adding the updated information. Look for the option to disconnect your Zoom account and click on it. At this point, Calendly might ask you to confirm your action. If a confirmation prompt appears, simply select Disconnect to finalize the disconnection. This step is crucial because it prevents any conflicts or errors when you reconnect your Zoom account later. Once the disconnection is confirmed, you're ready to reconnect Zoom with the correct details. If you're managing the account on behalf of a group or organization, choose the option that says Connect Zoom for my organization. Alternatively, if you're updating your personal settings, select Connect Zoom for myself. Make sure to pick the option that best matches your situation. After selecting the appropriate option, follow the prompts provided by Calendly to reconnect your Zoom account. These prompts will guide you through signing into your Zoom account and authorizing the connection. Once that's done, Calendly will automatically update your Zoom link, ensuring that all your future meetings are linked to the correct account. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Zoom link in Calendly. By following these steps, you've ensured that your scheduling tool is working seamlessly with your video conferencing platform, whether for personal use or team management. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.